Yeah, I'm Toby. I'm staff engineer at Vinted. I'm going to talk about how to make your SOP ready for AI.
All right, that sounds exciting. And where did this idea came from, or when did you guys started to work on this? Obviously, this is a hot topic, and a lot of organizations try to become more efficient. So, if you could tell us where is this idea coming from, and what was your journey so far?
Sure. The idea was born a while ago, more than a year, where we saw our SOPs in the company and thought now with AI, it would be just an easy step to automate them. And it turned out it wasn't that easy.
Okay, how come? What were the key challenges that you identified?
The key challenges first were the format, right? We have them as a decision diagram, visual in Lucidchart, with additional text in Confluence. And first we had to bridge this gap. But due to APIs of both products, it was possible. But once we then feed it to AI, we figured that actually the format is not the problem, the quality is the problem.
All right. And where you are right now in the process. So I assume you revisited all the SOP states and where you are now with the whole project.
Yeah. Currently, we are in a good state. So the quality increased a lot, mainly because we analyzed the data. We applied certain validation rules on top of it and gave feedback to the process designers. And this allowed them actually to clean them up, bring them in a consistent format, connect them with data points from our CRM, and now are ready to feed them to the chatbot.
I see. And are there any key realizations in the journey that you identified that you didn't even think before tapping into this project that, oh, like things are maybe in the state that you realize they are in? So any key takeaways so far, any key learnings that you have?
Yeah. Our key takeaway is that it's not only the problem of how we make AI following deterministically the rules. Our actual problem was the quality of the SOPs as such. The scale at when it operates, where we have 4 teams responsible for more than 400 SOPs, it was just natural that each other was tapping on the feeds, and those errors sparked. And thanks to AI, or the idea of automation, we actually now uncovered those quality issues and we're able to fix them.
Nice. And then in this case, now that you arrived to this stage, what's next? What's your next big hope, or what's your next big learning phase that you are anticipate to have?
Yeah, so our next big hope is that with those clean formats, we indeed actually can now transform them into textual presentation and feed them to OpenAI routines, which is then an opportunity to follow deterministic rules.